Usually, plastids are the one which you will find in plants only. You won't find plastids in animals. Okay. Now, when you take plastids, plastids are the organelles which are involved in various processes. So, what are the different plastids that shows this slide? When you take plant plastids, chloroplasts are a type of plastid. So, a statement can be given, what are chloroplasts? In the statements, one of the statement can be chloroplasts are a kind of plastid. So, plastids are different types. Among them, chloroplast is the one which carries out photosynthesis process. Along with photosynthesis, lipids are also produced by chloroplast. But some other plastids are also present in plants. For example, take the amyloplast. This best example we can say in rice. So in rice plant, you will have the storage of starch and sugars. So the storing chloroplast or the storing plastids in rice are called amyloplast. Amyloplast. The same way you will have Etioplast, which stores lipids and oils. Proteoplast, which stores the enzymes before their activity. And Leucoplasts are the one which are involved in production of fatty acids and amino acids. Here is the point. I'll give a best example connecting Chromoplast, Chloroplast and Leucoplast. So all these are different types of plastids. Okay. Now when you take different types of plastids, some are in green color, some are in some other colors like pigmented. The pigment may be a red color one or a blue color one. The blue color, red color pigment examples I'll give right now. So such chromoplasts are also plastids. So here we are having different types of plastids. Best example, if you assume the chilies. See, when the chilies were not ripened stage, how they will be? They will be colorless, isn't it? Have you seen the chili plant flowers or buds? They'll be colorless. And the chilies, when they ripen, they'll get a green color. So that the transformation is nothing but a conversion of the chloroplast structures inside the plant to chromoplast structure. There will be transformation. There will be conversion of this chloroplast, which are only in green color plastids, which will change into chromoplast. Chromo stands for pigment. In chilies, it's a red pigment. When you take the beetroot, unripened beetroot, have you ever seen? They are deep buried in under the soil. They'll be in colorless condition. But once they get ripened, they'll get into dark blood red color. This is also conversion of chloroplast to chromoplast. So such conversion of leucoplast to chloroplast, chloroplast to chromoplast happens in plants. So many vegetables also. Okay. So these are all different types of plastids. Etioplast is the one which will store the chlorophyll molecules in initial stage. Later they'll get converted to chloroplast. So it's like different transformations from one stage to another stage during the plant growth. Various plastids you will find in the form of pigments and green color. You have not seen the beetroot under the soil deep buried. The other best example is, have you seen colocasia? Same kind of transformation. I'm trying to cite some other examples. Chilies, you got it, no? So usually they will be light greenish color, then dark green, then red, isn't it? So all that thing is related to transformation of plastids. Okay, yeah, fine. So after that, chloroplast, that's all about chloroplast. About chloroplast, the basic point is about grana, thylakoid, stroma. Then chloroplast involvement in photosynthesis and energy production. And the plastids, not all, which will get converted to colored ones. Like if you take the brinjal will be light green color or dark green color. That's all. It won't change into another color. And some brinjals are in light purple and dark purple. It will not change into another color. So they are the one which may be chromoplast or Etioplast or Leucoplast, like that. the vegetables which, not fruits, especially vegetables we are talking. Fruits, that concept is different. The fruits color change is something related to hormones. We call it as phytohormones, plant hormones. We are talking about vegetables. Okay, only vegetables. Vegetables color change is based on the chromoplast to chloroplast, or chloroplast to leucoplast, or leucoplast to chromoplast, something like that. Here and there. Fruits is a different concept. Now in fruits you won't find plastids, isn't it? We are talking about chloroplast. You won't find chloroplast in fruit. You'll find it in leaves and stem part only, isn't it? Yeah. So fruits don't club that. Fruit is a reproductive organ, isn't it? In plant, fruit is a reproductive organ. There's something related to hormone change. The plant hormone change especially. Okay. So far chloroplast concept is clear to you. Shall we move on to next concept?